up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today what we're gonna do is, I already have my YouTube channel. I'm gonna link down description below, and that one is, it's gonna be how to use OBD2 scanner and how to scan the OBD2 scanner when you got your service engine light was on, you know. And today we're gonna show you the code is gonna be P0117. Say that. P0117. Okay, that one is gonna be engine temperature sensor. Here is the coolant temperature sensor, the engine coolant temperature sensor, this one. Okay, and here is the part number is gonna be somewhere over here, right here. It is the part number, and you guys can, if you don't even know what it is, just type it at the part number and it's gonna show you where it is. This car is 2005 Toyota Sienna. So where it's located, I'm gonna show you guys. It's top of the engine over here. It's gonna be down right here, this one. Okay, see where my finger go, and this one right here. Okay, that one. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that. What we need to do, we got a clip right here, and we're gonna press the clip and pull up, and it came right off. It's easy. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, now we're gonna press the clip and pull out. I think this one is very hard, and we're gonna use hold on, let me make sure this one gotta press right here. Okay, now it came out. So this one is gonna be dip socket 19mm, and now we got the get the extension, and now we already get it out, and now it came out. Okay, and so this one is came out already right here. It is the old one, and we call washer. I'm gonna use the old one right here. I'm gonna put this one back, and right here we can use a white tape if we want, but I don't think I have my white tape. Okay, now we got a white tape, and we're gonna use the white tape a little bit. Okay, and hold on. And come here, come here. On the camera, come here. Okay, here we go. And we got it. And now we're gonna go. We're gonna put this one back inside right here. So, okay. Okay, gonna get my 19mm socket.
Oh. 470-347-3295.
Okay, and we're gonna tighten it down a little bit. I don't know how many pounds, so it's gonna be a 15 foot-pound. Not too tight. Okay, now here we go. Okay, we got it. So we're gonna plug this one back. Okay, this is how you replace it, a engine temperature sensor. Okay guys, and if you guys have any question, and make sure leave me comment section down below, and I'm gonna link my video that I talked about before, the how to use a OBD2 scanner. So we see you guys on the next video. Peace.